Hi folks, the topic of today's video is tips on cleaning a wood furnace chimney. For you old timers, there's probably not much new here, but for folks new to heating with wood, hopefully this will help you. This is our wood furnace. It's been serving us for 35 years. It's my own design and it's built around a right-way Model 37 furnace. It's ducted to run in parallel with the existing gas furnace, and we can run either gas or wood, but not at the same time. Baffles and diverters direct airflow, and the entire system is self-regulating and remotely thermostatically controlled. This is a shot of the stovepipe that connects the furnace to the chimney. Note the T. I can remove the cap and get a straight shot to the main pipe for inspection and cleaning. This is the business end. The darker lower pipe is a 6-inch exhaust pipe with the chimney on the right. This is the pipe we'll be cleaning today. The upper pipe is an 8-inch cold air intake from outside. The use of outside air reduces negative pressure within the house while burning. The small armored cable between the pipes leads to temperature sensors, the bundle of armored cables in the middle left, and sensors and controls. Before you even think about starting a cleaning process, make sure your fire is completely out and the system is stone cold. The tools for cleaning are appropriately sized brushes, fiberglass poles, tarps to cover the work area, thick gloves, a face mask, a bucket for ash, and a shop vac for final cleanup. Here on the left is a 6-inch rough plastic round brush for the metal stovepipe. On the right is an 8 by 10-inch rectangular brush for the 25-foot masonry chimney. Here's a shot of the end of the fiberglass poles. Each pole is equipped with a 3/8-inch NPT male and female fitting. They're screwed together to extend the shaft. I've also wrapped the poles with duct tape to cut down on nasty fiberglass splinters that can occur over extended usage. I live in upstate New York, where we can get well over 100 inches of snow almost every winter. Since the chimney needs to be cleaned in midwinter and cleaning from the roof can be dangerous, I clean it from the base of the chimney inside the house. When I built the chimney, I fabricated and installed an extra tall clean-out door. It allows me to insert cleaning rods and brushes in from the bottom. The door is 1/4-inch plate steel, 8 inches wide and 16 inches tall, and has a fiberglass gasket making it airtight. With mask and gloves on and tarp laid out, open the door. The brush is attached to the end of the first rod and inserted, brushing as you push the brush up and inserting more rods as you need them. Success. When the brush clears the top, reverse the brushing action as you pull the brush back down the chimney, removing the rod sections as they emerge. This cleaning yielded about 2 gallons of fine soot. Most of it was already in the clean-out pit below the bottom of the clean-out door. You can inspect the chimney by inserting a small mirror into the clean-out door at a 45-degree angle looking up the chimney. When satisfied, close and secure the clean-out door and you're done. Now it's time to store your tools, clean the area with the shop vac, picking up the tarp, and you're ready to build a fire.